Hey, good morning traders. In this stock BPMX, held it overnight, so far up about 11%. You can see it's at my profit taking area. Market about to open up, so let's see if we can get executed here. We're at 27. We're having problems at the 200 moving average, so I might just let's just give it a second or two, see if these bidders come up or not. We're at 27 right now. Still getting stuffed. I'm just gonna give it time to see if it gets stuffed one more time by the 200 MA. If we could crack this 27 right here. Take it to a 5-minute. Okay, we're getting up there. Let's see if we get stuffed again. If we crack the 200 MA, we might hit 30. Let's see if we could crack it. We're gonna have a lot of sellers up there. See, my plan is to take profits right here, but I'm just giving it a minute or two. I'm still gonna stick to the plan if it doesn't crack it, but I might just end up smacking the bid right here because this thing's moving fast. Just have that ready. I want to see a crack basically over pre-market highs at 28. If that happens, this thing will go up good. If not, I'm gonna be taking my profits right here. I'll be getting stomped out, which I'll still be up about 9-10% right here. So give it a few seconds, you guys. Let's check out a 1 minute right here. Let's see how the 1 minute's looking. Big sellers at 27. Let's see if they get chipped away or not. I'm just gonna give this thing a few minutes, you guys, to see what the second 5-minute candle does, if it holds 26 right here. But my main goal is to try to crack this little resistance right here, and then let's see if we test the 200 MA. Maybe some shorts will start covering in this area, and some buyers come in. But we'll see. We got a lot of selling going on right now, so give this thing a couple minutes, you guys. Let's see what happens. Level 2's not looking too good. Times and sales looking okay, but we do have a lot of sellers in there. It's pressure from both sides. We got big sellers at 27. 27 is going to be a little hard to crack. I might crack it in a little bit, but I'm not going to have the patience to hold through all this. I like to lock in my profits and stick to the plan, so I'm gonna try to stick to my plan. I just want to see it test the 200 because I just checked. Not gonna have any more day trades. Might do another overnight swing tonight. I'll be searching for a good play after this play. We'll see. Every time we go to 27, we have problems at 27. We need some good volume to come in right here. Need some buyers to step up on the minute candlesticks right here. We just got through 27. You can see this wick right here. It got bought up. As soon as it hit the 26 area, a lot of people bought this thing up. So let's see if volume steps up. This thing could squeeze really good. Looking for shorts to get squeezed. Let's see some more volume, some more buying volume coming in. Let's see a test of that 200. Got some good buyers coming in right now. Just trying to be a little more patient. 27.5. See a test of 28 really soon. Let's see if we can't crack that, you guys. I'm gonna smack the bid. Here we go. Let's see if we crack this 28. We need some more good buyers, more volume to come in here. We got shorts trying to smack it at the 200 MA. We'll see right now if buyers step up. Here we go, some selling going on. This will be a crack of the 200 MA, a crack of resistance, and a crack of pre-market highs, guys. So if this thing cracks right now, you're gonna see some good volume step in, hopefully. And I like to sell into strength, but if it doesn't crack, if it goes back to 26, it might snap back down again. So let's see what happens, you guys. We need some volume to step up over here. Up 13% so far. I'm just basically following the lower highest trend right now. If it cracks my little pattern, my little support, I'll be getting out real soon. I just want to be a little more patient to see a good test. I really want to break this 200. But if it doesn't, that's fine. We'll be getting out. Good buyers coming in. A few sellers. Getting bought up. See, this thing cracked right here. As soon as this thing cracked resistance, now it's showing that it's becoming support right here. So it's getting bought up right there at 27. So 27 is becoming our new support right here. Right now we're fighting, you guys. So let's see if this thing, let me zoom in a little bit better. We're going to test this 200 MA right now. Here we go. On 1 minute chart, we're testing this 200. I'm testing this 200. We want this to close above 200. If this closes above 200, we're going to see some volume step up. We're going to see some more volume step up if this closes, if a 5 minute candle closes above the 200. We'll have even more buyers step up. We don't want to be seeing people locking in too many profits right now. Right now we're still testing this 200 moving average right here at this red line right here. Right now we're breaking through that. This is like our wall, you guys. We got to break through this wall, but we want the wall to shut behind us. Right now we're knocking on the door right now. So as soon as we get through the door, we want the door to shut behind us. So we want the candle to close above, the next candle to close above the 200 MA. This is a nice play. I know I'm being a little more patient with this today, but trying to get the most out of it, because not trying to get too greedy, but I really want to see a test of this 200 because I don't have any more day trades left. Currently up 15%. Let's see, here we go. We're testing the 200. We want to get through it. Let's see what the 1 minute candle's doing. Good buyer stepping up. Great buyer stepping up. Yesterday Acre moved up to 40%, so this could be. Let's check on Acre. Let me check on Acre, see what happened. Wow, that's up to 82. Really nice. I was either gonna swing this or swing this overnight, but I seen more potential in BPMX. Here we go. We're still getting a lower high pattern and a higher low right here. Testing 30 right here. Testing 30. We got good buyers at 28.5. Level 2 is making me hold on a little bit longer. Good buyers at 28.5. This thing's at 27% so far. I usually take profits in maybe 3 to 9, 10%. This thing has good momentum and it has a good trend right now. You know, like trading is not an exact science, so I'm ready to take my profits, but at the same time, this thing just cracked the 200 MA. So we're seeing volume step up right here. Some good volume. This is a kind of a low float for the price. Let's see a test of 30. If this thing gets stuffed at 30, I'll be getting out. But if this thing cracks 30, we could keep going, you guys. So let's see right now. Let's see if it holds a 200 right here. Let's see if 200 becomes new support. Let's see if it gets bought up at the 200, you guys. Right here, we're testing it. A lot of selling going on right here. We don't want to see a lot of stop losses going off. We want to see some buyers step up right here. 1 minute candle on the volume. It's getting a little selling pressure. The 5 minute still looks good right here. Let's see our next resistance in the 27 to 30 cent area. This is longer term resistance from last night. You can see, let me zoom in real fast. You can see my previous resistance right here. So we're gonna have problems at the area. So let me go back. Might get out this thing. 28.5. 28.5. Do we have good buyers? We have some decent buyers at 74, but we're having good buyers on the times and sales. This could be a multi-month breakout, you guys. So we're trying to be a little patient with this. Sellers coming in strong right now. It's the daily. Let's go back to the 1 minute. $200's holding. The 200 MA is holding. 200 MA is holding our. Here we go. Getting to new higher highs. We want to see some more buyers step up. We want to see buyers step this thing up, push this thing up. Testing 30, testing 29. If we could get through that 29, well, we're gonna see a little resistance at 30, but 29 is longer term resistance right here. We just broke the 200. Now we're in between the 28 new support and the 29 resistance. So tiny channel to crack through. We want to see more buyers step up. We want to see more buyers adding to their positions. The 5 minute candle looking good right here. Volume's looking okay so far. We need more volume to step up. Good buyers stepping up. A little selling going on. Good buyers. Here we go. We don't want to see this thing dump on off. We want to see this thing continue here. Here we go, higher highs. 29.32, testing 30 really soon. Up 16.63% so far. I'm kind of moving away from my plan, but this is trading, you guys. If this thing is, I'm going to be a little patient with winners. This thing could keep going, you know. I don't have any more day trades left, so this will be it for me today. Might be looking for a stock to hold again, if anything, if I see anything interesting. There we go. Selling going on. A lot of sellers are going to be taking profits really soon at 30, but we want to see more buyers step up. We want to see more buyers buy this breakout. If this thing breaks out, we might have some shorts covering and some breakout buyers step in. Pay attention to the volumes, level 2, and times and sales right here. It's going to be a longer video than I expected, you guys. Just have a little patience with me. You get a lot of this trade, get a lot out of it by watching the times and sales, volume, price action, 30% on the day. 8:42 a.m. February 28th. Usually on the first hour is really volatile. So we want to get out really soon. We might be selling a little early, but it's okay. Got some selling going on. This thing's having it's fighting, you guys. Still fighting, reacting good to the 200 MA. Now, if this thing could break this 29.32, we're gonna have a new high. We're gonna have some more buyers step in. So we're thinking, like, how are other traders? There's thousands of people looking at this thing right now, or in this, ready to take profits or ready to buy. This thing's popping up on people's scanners, popping up on Yahoo Finance, popping up on Twitter. I know Twitter was going crazy about this thing last night. Here we go, you guys. Good buyers stepping up. Good buyers. Come on in. Yellow. Let's break this. Let's break this 29. Let's break this 29, you guys. Damn, we got some sellers. Sellers taking profits. Selling taking profits. Let's see this. These sellers locking in. Sellers locking in more profits. The main thing is to hold the 200 MA, you guys. This thing goes under 200 MA, I'm just going to be getting out. We want to hold it. Here we go. Here we go. Buyer stepping up, buyer stepping up, buyer stepping up. We're testing it again. We're testing it again. Okay, this thing's going down. I'm gonna give it a few more seconds. I want some buyers to step up, because sometimes it'll react good. If it reacts good right here, it'll gap up in the next few seconds. If it reacts bad, we'll be getting out. We want it to react right away. We don't want to wait an hour for it to go back above the 200 MA. We want it to go right above in the next few minutes. That'll be a good reaction. $5-minute just went under. We want the 5-minute to go above, and the 1-minute to go above the 200 moving average. Might have to have a little patience with this, you guys, but I don't want the video to be too long, so I'll be getting out really soon. I'm up a decent enough percentage, 15%. Let's see if we can get out of here really soon. So let's watch this for a second. I'm gonna put an order just to sit on the level 2, probably at 29, just to sit there. Here we go. I'm right here at 3,000 shares. I've been patient enough with this thing, you guys. If this thing doesn't test 29 right now, I'll be canceling this and smacking the bid. Got my order right here, sitting on the level 2. We got a big seller in front of me. Big seller. Let's see if we get through that. So a lot of sellers going on right now. I like to sell into strength. Looks like it's getting weaker, but it is going above the 200 MA again. But we do have sellers going on. So let's see if it stays above. If it gets above that 200. Got a big seller right in front of me at 47,000 shares. Huge seller. Shorts are looking at this thing, seeing resistance right here, and they're probably adding on every time it goes up. They add on to pops, so they enter and they scale in. So you'll see them scaling in on the times and sales if you watch this real closely. There's a lot of hidden buyers and hidden sellers in level 2, so be careful with that. So we want to watch the times and sales at the same time. Okay, we're getting above that 200 again. Hopefully we close above there. Need more volume step up. Volumes looks like it's decreasing. Got my sale at 29. Let's see what happens in the next couple minutes. Got some good buyers coming in, but I see volume decreasing. Might end up smacking the bid, and we are good. We should be good to go. Up currently 14.5%, so this thing's having problems right now, so I might be getting out this thing. I'm just trying to be a little patient with this thing. Not seeing any decent patterns right now. I see the test of the 200 MA. This thing could consolidate for a few minutes and go up on another leg on up, but I'm not going to be that patient with it. Here we go. We just got above the 200 again. Got my sale order at 29, but we gotta get these guys. Got to get out. Somebody got to take these guys out before I get out. So let's see. Things having a little problems. So some guy's chipping away. This guy's kind of getting chipped away right here. He's kind of getting chipped away. Sellers coming in. Buyers stepping up. Big seller, huge seller at 28.4. Huge seller. Let's see if we get this through this guy. 28.4. It's gonna be hard to take this guy out. We need more buyers to step up. 18,000 buyer right here, share buyer right here. Here we go. Hopefully this guy's getting chipped away. Let me take my order out of here for a second, you guys. You guys will see that a lot when I trade. Canceling orders, putting on orders. Kind of stepping away from my plan right here just to be a little more patient with this thing. This thing's having good momentum. check you out later. I want to see a good squeeze right here. That's why I'm being patient, because I know if this thing tests 30 and gets above 30, we're going to have some good covering going on, some good breakout buyers hopefully going on. It's going to be a little selling pressure, but hopefully we get more buyers stepping up. People are waiting for the breakout also on this. So far this has been about 20 minutes, you guys. So here we go, selling going on. We're getting at 29. If we can get through that 29, every time we get there we see some selling going on and some kind of big size right here. We are still making higher lows, so we want this thing to squeeze. We're kind of getting a triangle pattern right here. Hold on. Yeah, buyer stepping up at 29, you guys. Buyer stepping up good. Okay, let me make this a different color so you guys could see that little triangle pattern. Got some sellers going on. That's our previous resistance. The daily's trying to crack it. We're trying to crack it. Daily's trying to crack previous resistance. Daily candle still looking strong. When you go back, you guys see previous resistance right here. We just got above it. So we're going to be a little more patient with this. We just got above this. We're trying to get above this right here. Where last time, where the about almost a year ago, it topped off right here around 30 cents. So 30 cents is a multi-month resistance level. We're going to see a lot of selling pressure right there. But this thing got momentum, so if buyers step off, we could get through the 30 cent area. We got buyers stepping up. I need bigger size on the buyers on times and sales. We need bigger size. I see shorts adding on right here. Seeing a buyer, good buyers coming in right here. 28.9. We want to see more buyers coming in at 29 with bigger size and test the 30 area. If we could get past the 30 area, this is a round whole psychological number. So if we could get past there and hold that area, that hopefully will become new support if buyers hold it up. So let's see right here. A lot of buyers will be adding. If they got on to 29, it goes to 30. So some buyers will be adding. So we're gonna see some adding going on at 30. We want to see 29 on this side right here on the level 2. We see it on the times and sales, but we want to see these guys step up too. Big seller, huge seller right here, you guys. 25,000 shares. We got some decent sized buyers coming in, testing 29 right now. See our previous resistance is the blue line. See the triangle pattern. New highs, you guys. New highs. This is going to attract more people right now. New highs. Let's test the 30. New highs. These are popping up right now on a lot of people's scanners right now. So hopefully a lot of people start smacking the ask right here. New highs. 29.5. Let's see a good test of the 30. We don't see a wall of sellers at 30. We do see a wall of sellers at 29.5. But we just see some good buyers coming in on some big seller right here too at 38,000 shares. 29.5. So far up 31%. This stock on the day, I'm actually up about 18% so far. I always sell too early, you guys, but we always take singles, but once in a while you will have those home runs like this. So you want to be a little more patient with winners sometimes when you see the good momentum coming in. We're going to test 30 right here. If it doesn't test 30, this thing could come crashing back. So Be ready, you guys. I have the auto send on. I have smack the bid. Sometimes when you after trading for a while and you see the spread is really tight, the spread's really tight. So selling the bid is okay, especially when all these buyers are coming in. It just helps you a little faster. You want to have all your tools. You don't want to bring a knife to a gunfight, you guys. It'll take me a few seconds to type in a limit order. So this will be like instantly right here. So we're getting to new highs right here, 29.6. Let's see it go through that 30 right here. We want to see green volume. I want to see actually more than 1 million at 30. I want to see up to 1 million or more on this 1 minute candle. If we get to 30, and I want to see a green candle right here. We want to see buyers step up. So we're at 29.8. We're at new highs still, you guys. Getting squeezed. Stock is getting squeezed. A lot of selling coming in. Level 2, 29.5, bidders. A lot of selling going on. Sellers is okay when people take profit, you guys. So, but it's not okay when we have a dump. So we're watching the volume too. We're watching times and sales. We want to test the 30. If we can get past that 30, you guys, we have some good room to run. So thanks for being patient with me, and check this video out, you guys. Hope you guys like it. I know it's a little longer, but I wanted you guys to see this in action. Have a little patience with this thing. So we want a newer high. We want to see a test of 29.9 and some buyers step up at 29.9. I'm going to clear it up, you guys, just so we could get a better picture right now. We're testing 30 right here. I'm going to show you this little trend going on, you guys, right here and right here. What do we see? We see a triangle pattern. So if this thing gets stuffed right here, this thing could go either way. It could snap down or it could snap up. If we could get past this thing could get squeezed decent. So let's see what happens. Let's minimize that. Excuse me. Let's go. We need volume step up. Let's check out the level 2 real fast. Level 2. We don't see too many buyers stepping up right now. Been patient with this thing all day. Some weaker volume right here. Having problems at the 30 area. I'm gonna see what happens. I'm gonna be patient till these two lines touch, and at the touch of that line I'm either gonna see a drop or a decent squeeze. Not just so we won't have too much red on the screen, you guys. A little easier on the eye. Here we go. We see this little triangle pattern. We want to see this thing get squeezed. Volume about even right now. Give me 1 second, you guys. I'm gonna grab a water. 1 second. Alright, okay, where are we at? Volume still looking okay. Check out the level 2. Volume still stepping in. Level 2 buyers still at 29.4. Times and sales looking okay. Still getting stuffed at the 29.8 area, at the 30 area. We gotta break this 29.8. to, I'm just gonna watch the times and sales, you guys, and the volume right now. Watch the pattern, the price action. Now I'm going to a 1 minute candle because I'm on a shorter time frame right now, because I want to see the squeeze right here. I want to see when these two angles touch of my triangular shaped pattern right here, my little ascending triangle. At the same time it has lower highs, and at the same time it just cracked above the 200 moving average. So we want to see this thing break the previous yearly resistance at this area right here. You can see this area, you guys, is our previous resistance. So right now we're breaking it. So this is why I'm being a little more patient with this. But at the same time, I don't want to be too patient, because I want these buyers, I want other buyers to recognize this. This means nothing if other buyers don't recognize that and step up. From Clay Trader. Clay Trader is another good channel, you guys. He has really good videos, so check him out. Okay, 29. Seeing a test of the 29 right now. Uh-oh, it just broke our trend, did it? Did it break our trend? Kind of broke our trend. I'm gonna be smacking the bid, you guys. Just sold. So I'm out this thing. Decent sized profit, 17.27%. Just a 3,000 share position. So thanks for having the patience with me, you guys. That was a decent trade. If anybody has any questions, you guys, please feel free to reach out to me. Don't forget, you guys, KIS, keep it simple. Please like and subscribe. Peace out.